Hi besties, welcome to today's video. So today we're going to be using onions. All right, this is the onions I'll be using for today's recipe. This is the red onions. So if you have any other kind of onions, you can use that. So as along the line, I'll be telling you guys the benefit. And the next one I'm going to be using is ginger. All right, so this is the ginger I'll be using for today's recipe. It has amazing benefits. All right, so I'll be saying the benefit along the line. Okay besties, so I've already peeled my onions. I cut it into half because I'm not going to use the full of them, so I cut into two half, and this is what I'm going to be using for today's recipe. So I'm going to be peeling out the ginger, removing the back. You can also use the back of the ginger and do like a tea, adding in maybe the back of the onions as well to do a hair spray. Okay, it's going to help you to grow your hair. But today's video is all about me using this as a pre-poo, and also I'm doing a challenge for 7 days. So along the line I'll show you guys maybe clips of the hair growth in another video, not in this particular one. This particular one is all about making it. So I'm going to be using grater to grate it. If you're going to use blender to blend, don't add water. Adding water is kind of diluting the natural water from the onions and the ginger. Yeah, so I'm using grater to grate everything. It was really hard and difficult, but if I put it in the blender, I may be tempted to add water, because you know when you're blending something and it's not blended, the next thing your brain will signal to you is to put water, let it blend. Okay, so to avoid that, I have to use this grater and grate it very well. Okay, so but you have to be careful when grating this. But if you still want to blend, you can still blend it, but don't add water. All right, so I'm going to grate. After grating, I will grate the ginger as well. So guys, I am done grating everything. It took me a very long while to grate this. So I'm adding in the ginger, and I grated the ginger as well, and I'll mix everything together. So let's get into the benefits of onions and ginger for hair growth. So onions for hair growth. Okay, onions is high in sulfur, okay, that helps to promote your hair growth. All right, so onion stimulates collagen and strengthens your hair. Okay, onion helps in blocking out keratin. I'm going to put it here, the protein that is given to hair structure. The sulfur can help in strengthening your hair and stimulating hair growth, collagen production for healthier hair growth. Okay, so I squeeze the juice off camera. All right, and this is water we have. Okay, onions helps in improving blood circulation to your scalp. Okay, so when you use the onions juice, okay, it helps in increasing the blood flow to your scalp, and this is better circulation can nourish your hair follicles and promote hair growth. So I had to transfer this in a container which we are going to be storing it for usage. All right, so onions helps in fighting inflammation, infection, and dandruff. So my hair has been a little bit itchy of recent. That is the reason why I want to do this onions challenge on my hair. Okay, so onions is really amazing for hair growth. So extract how to use onions. You can extract it, use the juice, or you can do onions with other ingredients, or you can use onions with oil to get onions oil, like onions oil for your hair. All right, so I'm going to be talking about ginger as well. This is my hair, and we are going to be applying the onions juice and ginger on my hair. I'm using a cotton pad to do this so that the water don't really enter my eye, because you know onions is peppery, right? So I'm using a cotton pad. I will soak the cotton pad in the onions juice, squeeze at just little out of it, then take the remaining one and squeeze it on my hair. Ginger stimulates hair growth. Okay, it also has anti-inflammatory properties, okay, that helps in giving you a healthier scalp. All right, so ginger improves scalp health. Okay, the anti-inflammatory compound in ginger, okay, helps you to calm irritation, redness, and inflammation on your scalp. It also helps in fighting dandruff and any fungi infection. All right, so as I said earlier on, my scalp has been itching me, so I decided to try out this recipe together. So guys, ginger has a very amazing benefit for hair growth. Okay, it also helps in increasing blood circulation to your scalp.
What are you thinking now? Tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. I don't want nothing else. Don't deny it. Why don't we try it? Don't say we're gonna leave it all behind. I know you want me. This could be something. I hope you feel it too.
So guys, I'm done with the application and I'm using my fingertips to massage everything in, like really massage your scalp very well. Okay, so after massaging, I'm going to allow this to sit on my hair for like an hour before I rinse out and use shampoo and wash it out. So as I said earlier on, this is a challenge for me, so this is day one. So in day 3 I may come live. Day 3 is going to be on a Saturday, so I may come live to apply it again on the live stream. So finger crossed, if I'm free that day I will do that, but if I'm not free I'll just do a video about it. But I'll be doing this for maybe 7 days or 2 weeks. Okay besties, so this is the nylon I'm going to use to cover my hair for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you allow this to sit on your hair. If you have longer time, you can carry it more than 1 hour or overnight. Okay, then rinse it out. So this is a challenge for me, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and we pray that we see amazing results.
It's all in my head. I don't want this to end. Oh, let this be over.
So fam, this is my hair after 1 hour. I have washed it out. I used my DIY shampoo to wash it out, and what did I experience? What I felt was this heat sensation on my scalp. Okay, so and that's what I felt during the 1 hour of wait. So this is my hair for now, and I will see you all in my next video. Please subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. My hair is really old. We need to take the braids down. Anyway, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.